The rise and fall of Kejriwal. Kejriwal decided his own fate because his rise and fall in politics has always been based on lies and drama. Sheila Dikshit was an excellent chief minister and did a lot of developmental work in Delhi. But the Central Congress government was alleged to have participated in huge number of scams which was denting her chances of come back to Delhi as chief minister. The India Against Corruption movement was against major scams of UPA2 and wanted to bring the Jan Lokpal bill which would make way for an independent body to investigate corruption cases. India Against Corruption was meant to be a non-political organization. The first promise that Arvind Kejriwal broke was to create a new political party by name Aam Aadmi Party. This newfound party by Arvind Kejriwal to scrutinize and act against corruption by previous Congress governments in Delhi and UPA 1 and UPA 2. Sheila Dikshit was a very popular leader, but her downfall had its own reasons, but the most important ones were 1. 16 December 2012, gang rape that shook Delhi and triggered unprecedented street protests. 2. Huge and a lot of scams during UPA 1 and UPA 2. 3. 15 years of anti-incumbency. Arvind Kejriwal used this as an opportunity to stand against the stalwart and defeated her by over a 25,000 vote margin. Congress won only 8 seats, the AAP 28, and the BJP 31. Arvind Kejriwal's single-point agenda was to defeat Congress, but he did not leave one stone unturned to grab the power and used this as an opportunity to form government in Delhi with the support of Congress. This is the second time he exposed himself. He said that he would never travel in high-end cars, but of late he travels in high-end cars. He said that he would live as a CM in a double-bedroom house along with his family members, but build Sheesh Mahal. He said that he would clean the Yamuna and provide clear drinking water for Delhi people, but the Yamuna turned out to be the worst river in India. He said that his government would be corruption-free, but the liquor scam painted him in a different picture. His shooting and scooting politics have been exposed, and now he has not lost to anyone but to himself. Because his politics has been based on the premise of lies and falsehood. Karma has boomeranged. What he did to Sheila Dikshit has not come back to haunt him.